FreeCAD is becoming a very good 3D modeling software to use. Since my first experience with it in 2022 until today, it has improved a lot. It went through several updates to reach the current stable version, and soon it will be replaced by version 1.1, which is still in development. And this video is exactly to talk about the impressive improvements coming in version 1.1. These improvements caught my attention, and I believe you will be impressed too. If you're new to FreeCAD, you might be wondering how I got access to version 1.1. There are two main versions, the stable release and the development version, commonly called dev version. Many of FreeCAD's advanced improvements are found in the dev version. Open your browser, type FreeCAD, press enter, and click on the first link. On the official FreeCAD page, click download, and you'll see the current stable version. From this page, you can download either the installer or the portable file of FreeCAD depending on your operating system. If you scroll down, you will find development versions. Click weekly build and it will take you to the GitHub page. There, at the top of the page, you will see the date of the latest update of FreeCAD. Under that same section, go to Assets and download the portable version for your operating system. The next step is very simple. Installing portable versions of FreeCAD is easy. Just place the files in the folder where you want FreeCAD to be. Extract them, then open the bin folder of each version and create shortcuts for the FreeCAD launchers. That's it. You now have FreeCAD running on your machine. When you start each version, you can identify the stable version from the dev version. The stable version never shows a warning message. This alert is specific to the dev version. On the first launch, FreeCAD opens the basic setup screen where you set the language, unit system, theme, and the navigation style. After completing this setup, the program loads the start page, which is the screen you will always see after launching the program. At first glance, the start page doesn't look very different, but as you begin working in 3D modeling, that's where the difference between version 1.0 and the upcoming 1.1 appear. The current stable version release is essentially version 1.0 with more stability and bug fixes compared to the version 1.0.0. The upcoming version 1.1, as I said, will bring new features and significant improvements over 1.0. The version 1.1 comes with an improved lighting system compared to version 1.0. In this version, you can adjust various 3D model lighting parameters, including color, angle, and intensity. Accessing program settings has become simple with the addition of a keyboard shortcut. With 2-key combination, you can now open FreeCAD Preferences. In the Preference interface under Display Light Sources, you can customize the 3D view lighting as you like. It's also easier to find any setting thanks to the new search preference bar at the top, as you can see. Another impressive improvement is the extended functionality of the transform tool. It now allows you to position one 3D object on another and even choose which point to use as the axis center. This is a major step forward as it makes it possible to model multiple parts and simulate assembly without switching to assembly workbenches. Finally, there's a preview for PartDesign operations. For example, in a linear pattern operation, you can now see a preview of what you are doing or creating. You can also disable this feature to show only the final result if you want. In addition to this new functionality, most tools interfaces have been improved for the PartDesign workbench, and there's more to explore in version 1.1. In fact, there is a playlist on the channel dedicated to 3D modeling using version 1.1. Just check out the videos.